morning. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. So it's another beautiful day in Florida. And this morning, we're going to be going out to do a little bit of shopping here and there for grocery. We're going to see what we can make to eat. Because yesterday we went out. Didn't even video anything. Yesterday evening we went out to eat, and today I am planning to maybe eat breakfast outside or cook a little bit of something for us to eat this morning while we go about our business. Love you all. Before we're going for a mini shopping. These are my crew. Come on, let's go. Janae, you look beautiful. Kela. Don't block my last bond. Hey, Daddy. Hi. Mr. Scott Odogu. One and only Mr. Scott. My Mr. Odogu, number one. I know, right? All right. Hello. Morning. The sun is very hot. Okay, I'm going to use my hat for this weather. This weather is giving. I don't want to get burnt on my skin. I'm going to protect myself. I can't shout. It's hot. Very, very hot. We are Walmart. This Walmart is big. I already did a mini shopping from a dollar store. I'll show you guys. Put my stuff in the booth. These days I forget to vlog. I tell you guys for free. Who is my son? We are here. Let's grab some things from Walmart in Florida. Let's see what we can buy. Okay guys, let's shop. This is how the shopping is going, and we're still grabbing more. How the shopping is going.
So the most important thing.
So happy.
Yeah.
You don't notice the most important thing.
Yes.
Only God will save. To Banana Mountain.
Banana Mountain.
Somebody say Banana Lab. Another person say Banana Mountain.
Banana Mountain.
Let's go. Bread aisle. Okay, this is how our shopping cart is looking. I'll show you guys everything I get to. Right now I'm in a hurry. I have an appointment for 1. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Where is that meat? We are finally home and welcome back home. Look at everything we bought after the grocery shopping. We bought everything mini that will last us for 8 days. Bread is right behind here. Grapes, tea, apple, strawberry, yogurt, banana, a little olive oil, tomatoes, onions, pepper. I'm gonna make popcorn. We have cornflakes, papaya. Peel it for me. Papaya, and not too and shoe. I got this for my plant at home because I didn't see big one like this in Canada. So here is some spray, ear cleaner, blah blah blah, glasses, and here chose this bag. It's not as if it doesn't have school bag. When we came, we have only 1 or 2 to protect our ear, and our ears was hurting during the flight. So I decided to buy this for my kids. When we're going back, everybody can protect their ears, so ear doesn't hurt. Thank you so much, SS1, for watching. We love you all just the way you love us. Peace. Your guys out.